Hi everyone, welcome back to our quick tutorial. I'm going to show you how to buy and sell tokens using DEXSCREENER updated for 2025. If you're new to decentralized trading, don't worry, I will break it down step by step so you can start trading confidently. So without any further ado, let's get into it. So first of all, I'm going to talk about what is DEXSCREENER. So first, a quick note: DEXSCREENER itself is not a trending platform. It is a free tool that helps you find, track, and analyze tokens across different decentralized exchanges like Uniswap, PancakeSwap, or SushiSwap. So you will use the DEXSCREENER to find the token you want, then you will trade it on the actual DEX it's listed one. So now you just need to find a token. Head over to DEXSCREENER.com and in the search bar at the top type the name of or contract address of your token you want to trade. So you can go with this one, Ethereum, this one. So you just need to connect those in your platform. Like let's go any of these, choose any of them, and from that place you can see the buy and sell method here, and you can buy it from that place. Just click over here and connect the wallet with this one. You can purchase this one. There is a couple of token you have, so you just need to connect a DEX. Next, go to the actual DEX where the token is listed. For example, Uniswap for Ethereum tokens or PancakeSwap for BNB chain. You just need to connect the wallet. I already show you. You just need to select this one, and here choose any of them, and here you are allowed to connect. Like you will get the option to buy and sell it, so you can trade this one. So there is an option, so you have to do this thing easily. So you just need to connect your crypto wallet like MetaMask and Trust Wallet, and make sure you are on the right network. Then you just need to buy the token, paste the token contract address into the DEX swap interface, select the token you want to trade from like ETH, Ethereum or BNB, and the token you want to buy. You just need to be enter the amount, review the price, and then click the swap. This is the easiest way. And then sell the token is the another easiest one. You just need to be sell. It's time to the same process in reverse. Go back to the DEX, like your token. Then you just need to be what you want to receive, fill and pick what you want to receive like ETH or BNB. So let's see into the amount you want to sell, the easiest one. Let's say even the simple, like if you click onto the buy, then you just need to connect your wallet, and here you just need to provide your amount, and then you just need to be add this easily, and that's it. That's how you buy and sell using DEXSCREENER and a decentralized exchange in 2025. If you found this helpful, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.